Hello everyone. Today we are going to start our new poem. The name of poem is The Shade and it is written by Frank Falling. So let us start our poem The Shade. So my dear student, today I am discussing the poem The Shade. Actually shade is just like a rooftop. I am showing you the picture of set in your book. This is the picture of set, and this is also used as a shelter of an animals lived in the shed like a storeroom to store something. Shed is also used. Shed is multi-purpose place to do any type of things we kept. The poet sees the shed at the bottom of his garden. There is a shade bottom of garden. You can see the spider's web is having the spider web is having because the shade was older and roasting here and there, and it doesn't clean all the time. What happened one day? The poem is lagging in the garden and listen the voices nasty creak of wind. The poet are able to listen all the sound. The poet says, whenever I pass around this shade, whenever I try to go around this shade, I feel as if somebody is staring at me. Staring means to look very closely. So I feel as if somebody is looking at me in a very spooky manner, right? I will peep through the wind. The poet again expresses desire. He wants to go to this shade one day and he wants to peep through the window. Now, peep means to look through a narrow opening. Meaning of peep is to look through a narrow opening but still try to look at something. That's called peeping. So, dear student, we are discussing to the stanza number 3. My brother says there's a ghost in the shade who hides under the routine floorboards, and if I ever dare to set foot inside, he will jump out and jump off my head. But I'll take a peek one day. The poet brother told him that there is a ghost in that shade who hides under the routine floorboards. So, routine means decaying or decomposing something. You have understand the meaning of the word routine. Routine it means decomposing of something that is going bad, like if you keep an apple out in the open, if you don't keep it in the refrigerator, it goes rotten. Similarly, the floorboards are going rotten means they are decaying, they are slowly withering away, that decomposing. So my brother says there a ghost in the shade. There is the ghost hiding under the rotten floorboards. Now the meaning of chop is to cut into pieces. Meaning of chop is to cut into pieces like you chopped vegetable. So his brother has told him that there's a ghost and he keeps on hiding inside under those floorboards, and if you ever go inside that shed, he will jump out and chop off his head. Now whose head? The poet's head here. He says my head. My means the poet's head, but I will take is still hopefully. His desire is still there. He still says that I will take a peek one day. He wants to take a look one day, and he wants to beat inside the window one day and find out what is in the shade. Now we are moving to stanza number 4. I know that there isn't really a ghost. My brother tells lies to keep the seed for his den. There isn't anyone stirring or making strange noises, and the spider has been going from his web since I don't know when. I will go into the shade one day, but not just it. So the poet is a kind of referring swearing himself. He is trying to make himself believe that there is no ghost inside her, trying to convince himself. He is telling himself that he knows that there is no ghost. There is just his brothers who tell him lies to keep the seed for his den, to keep the seed for his private purpose. He knows that his brother is lying to him, and because he wants to keep the seed for his den, because he does not want the boy to go inside his den, there right there isn't anyone stirring on or making strange noises. So the poet also tells us that he knows that there is nobody making strange noises. It is something that he is just kind of imagined in his hand, in his head. There is not reality, and the spider has been gone from his web since I don't know when. He also tells us that the wave is there, however, there is no spiders. The spiders has long been sure. I will go into the shade one day soon, but not just it. So towards the ends of the poem says that I will go into the shade one day. Very soon I will go into that check, but not just it. So towards the end, he says not just it, not right now. It means that the poet is kind of scared to go into the shade. He is constantly trying to convince himself and the reader that there is no bug, there are no strange people looking at him. He also tries to tell us that the spiders are not there and there's nothing to be scared about. However, it looks as if he is very scared to go inside that shade. He wants to go, but he keeps on postponing his plan. Now, this poem is completed, dear student. I think you have understand this poem very smoothly, very easily. Have a nice day. Thank you.